Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about a remedy that's not commonly discussed but plays a crucial role in cases involving a breach of confidence. It's called an account of profits. So if you're a business owner, an employee, or someone dealing with confidential information, this video is for you. So what exactly is an account of profits? In simple terms, it's a remedy that requires a party who has wrongfully gained from using someone else's confidential information to pay over any profits that they have made. Unlike other remedies such as damages, where the focus is on compensating the victim, the account of profits focus on stripping the wrongdoer of their unjust gains. In breach of confidence cases, an account of profits can be awarded when someone improperly uses confidential information such as trade secrets or business strategies to make a profit. This remedy is often sought when damages alone will not be enough, especially if the defendant's actions led to a significant financial gain. For example, let's say a former employee takes your customer's client list and uses it to start a competing business. Here, an account of profits may be awarded to recover the profits the employee made using that confidential information. Other remedies in such a scenario would be an injunction, damages, or the imposition of a constructive trust. There are specific requirements that must be met for an account of profits to be granted in a breach of confidence claim under Singapore law. Previously, the leading case on breach of confidence in Singapore was ClearLab, which followed the common law approach outlined by the English High Court in Coco and A.N. Clark. In order to establish a breach of confidence, the plaintiff must show that the information is of a confidential nature. Number two, the information was imparted in circumstances importing an obligation of confidence. Number three, there had been unauthorized use of the information to the detriment of the party from whom the information originated. It is the third limb that traditionally presented the greatest difficulty to employers. However, the Singapore Court of Appeal in the 2020 case of iAdmin departed from the common law position on breach of confidence. The Court of Appeal reformulated the test as follows. Upon proof by the plaintiff that the information, which is the subject matter of the claim, was of a confidential nature and had either been imparted in circumstances importing an obligation of confidence or had been accessed or acquired without the plaintiff's knowledge or consent, a rebuttable presumption of a breach of confidence arises. The onus then falls on the defendant to rebut the presumption of breach of confidence by showing how the receipt of the confidential information in the circumstances did not undermine the plaintiff's interest in avoiding the wrongful loss caused by the loss of the information's confidential character. For example, by showing that the defendant had come across the confidential information by accident or was unaware of its confidential nature or believed that there was a strong public interest in disclosing the confidential information. Now that we have the requirements for a breach of confidence claim, let's move on to the calculation of the losses if the plaintiff asks for an account of profits. The process can be tricky because the court has to determine what portion of the wrongdoer's profits is attributable to the use of the confidential information. The wrongdoer is required to account for all the profits made and prove which parts, if any, were not related to the breach of confidence. In most cases, the entire profit may be considered unless the defendant can clearly show separable profits. In one case, Company A developed a proprietary software system and shared it with a partner under a confidentiality agreement. The partner later breached that agreement and sold the software to other companies, earning substantial profits. The court ordered an account of profits, requiring the partner to hand over all the profits made from the sale of that software. So essentially, this remedy ensured that the wrongdoer couldn't just walk away benefiting from the breach of confidence. Now, why would someone choose this remedy over traditional damages? One advantage of an account of profits is that it's not limited to the losses suffered by the victim. Instead, it aims to prevent unjust enrichment by the wrongdoer. In cases where the profits made are much larger than the losses incurred, this can be a more effective remedy. However, an account of profits isn't always straightforward. Courts will only grant this remedy in cases where it's fair and equitable to do so. To conclude, an account of profits is a powerful tool in breach of confidence claims, especially when significant profits have been made from confidential information. Seeking legal advice early is crucial to determine whether this remedy is the right fit for your case. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.